Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to complete a bar graph together. Somebody went around and did a survey and asked about their favorite pets, dog, cat, hamster, or fish. And they put their information on this tally chart. And as you look at your tally chart, you can see that 8 people picked dog and that 5, 6 people picked cat and that 3 people picked hamster, and 1 little old person picked fish. Now that we have our information from our tally chart counted up, we can complete our bar graph, which is titled Favorite Pet Graph. And over dog, we're going to color it all the way up to the 8 because 8 people picked dog. Now you, of course, are going to color it much more beautiful than Miss Connie is doing right now. And then cat is going to be colored all the way up to the number 6, nice and beautifully. And hamster will get colored all the way up to the 3. And fish will just get 1 little box colored in because 1 person picked fish. Now we're going to use this information either from the tally chart or the bar graph to answer the questions on the right. Question number 1 asks, which pet received the most number of votes? If I look at my bar graph, I should be able to see that dog received the most number of votes because dog has the highest bar. So I'm going to write for number 1, dog. Pardon my writing with the mouse. And number 2, which pet received the least number of votes? I'm going to look back at my bar graph. I'm going to say, oh, who has the smallest bar? Why, it is fish. So fish received the least number of votes. Number 3, did any pets receive the same number of votes? If so, which ones? So if they got the same votes, their bars would be the same height. Do we have any that are the same height? No, we don't. So we can just simply say no. If we did have to say yes, we would say yes, and then which 2 got the same number of votes. Number 4 says, how many people voted for a dog? So I'm going to look at my bar graph. I'm going to go to dog, go all the way up to the top of the bar and see 8. 8 people voted for dog. Looking at the next question, how many people voted for a fish? I'm going to go to fish. I'm going to go up to the number 1 and say that 1 person voted for fish. The next question is how many people voted all together? To figure that out, I'm going to need to add all the totals either from the bar graph or from the tally chart. So I'm going to have to add 8 and 6 and 3 and 1. And Miss Connie says that 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 more gives me 10. 10 plus 8 gives me 18. 18 people voted altogether. My last question is, how many more votes did the dog receive than the hamster? And the dog received 8. So I'm going to put that. And the hamster received 3. So I'm going to put that. How many more means that I need to subtract those numbers. And 8 take away 3 equals 5. Please go ahead and complete the independent paper and take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. Bye.